Hey everyone! Welcome to your first day of 8th grade. My name is Mrs. Davis, and I'm going to be your social studies teacher this year. I cannot wait to get to know each and every one of you, even though we're starting this year online. I really hope that we can build some community and get to know one another. I put together a little slideshow of pictures so you could get to know who I am just a little bit better. So this is a little bit better picture of me. I live with my husband, Trevor. He is a nurse, so things have been a bit crazy for us since March because he deals with coronavirus kind of every day with his job. So I've learned a lot about COVID from him, and it's really made me aware of what a difficult situation, everyone is facing in 2020. But I'm confident that we are all going to be able to come out of this year much stronger people. We have a cat. Her name is Siri. She's pretty crazy, and I think this picture sums that up pretty well. We actually named her after Sirius Black, the character from Harry Potter, because that's a book series we both really like. I highly recommend that if you were to choose to read any book series, that you try to read Harry Potter. It's really great and something that I enjoyed when I was in middle school. This year, I decided that I was going to get into running, and in July, I ran my first half marathon. So there's a picture of me kind of suffering through the humidity to do the 13.1 miles. It was really tough, but I'm really proud of myself for accomplishing a goal that I set. A little bit more about me. My husband and I, we really like to travel. Every year we try to make it out west to see different national parks. So this here is a picture of Arches National Park in Utah. That's probably my favorite national park I've ever visited. And overall, I've been to 20 parks. So my goal is to go to all of the national parks in the United States one day. I went to NKU for college, where I earned my degree in history, geography, and education. So I really, really love the subject I teach, and I cannot wait to be your social studies teacher this year. I hope you're ready to learn a lot about our American past, and I'm excited to start this year together. We'll see you in class virtually at some point soon.